Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For an adult size mask, cut one fabric rectangle 16 inches long and 8.5 wide. Cut 2 pieces of elastic, each 7 inches long. Or, cut 4 fabric ties 18 inches long. For a child size mask, cut one fabric rectangle 14 inches long and 6.5 wide.
Take our lead.
To tighten the mask, all you need to do is fold it in half, and tie a knot with the ear loops, as close to the mask as you can get it. Then you open up the mask. You'll see a small gap on both sides near to the knot, but tuck that in to secure a more comfortable fit.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Face mask ties. T-shirt strips. When selecting a t-shirt to use, 100% cotton is your best bet. You'll also want one that doesn't have side seams if you plan on making fabric yarn so that you can get a strong, continuous piece.
Take our lead.
You could sub in hair ties or elastic headbands for regular elastic. Joann Fabric and Craft Stores suggests swapping in cord, yarn, ribbon or other stretchy materials. You could also use bias tape. The CDC also says cloth strips, rubber bands, or string could work.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.